Hi everyone, welcome back to English Talk Daily. Today, we'll listen to a simple and fun conversation between two friends, Mary and Hannah. Mary and Hannah, they're going to university and talking about their daily routine. Let's learn and understand English easily through their conversation. Let's get started.
Hey Mary, can you believe we're finally going to university? Feels like just yesterday we were talking about this dream.
I know, right? It's so exciting, but a little nerve-wracking too. I wonder what it's going to be like. Will we be able to handle everything?
Honestly, I think we will. We've been managing school and everything else till now. It's just going to be more people and more work, but we can handle it. Plus, we'll have each other.
True. I'm really glad we're going together. I don't know how I would manage all this new stuff without you. Have you figured out what you'll wear on the first day?
I've been stressing over it. I don't want to look too casual, but also not too dressed up. Maybe a nice top with jeans? What about you?
Same. I'm thinking about wearing my new sweater and some cute boots. I want to look cute but still be comfortable for walking around campus all day.
That sounds perfect. And you'll probably be more comfy in the boots than in sneakers like me. Do you know what classes you'll have first?
Yeah, I have English and then sociology. How about you?
I have biology and then history. I'm a little nervous about the biology one. It's been a while since I had science.
Don't worry, Hannah, you'll do fine. You've always been great at learning new things. We can study together if you need any help.
Sounds like a plan. I'm also a little nervous about making new friends. I mean, we already have each other, but it would be nice to meet some more people.
Yeah, I feel the same, but we're both super friendly, so I'm sure we'll make friends in no time. Plus, there are so many clubs and activities to join. We can find something we like and meet people with similar interests.
That's true. Maybe we can join the art club together or something. I'd love to do something creative outside of classes.
Ooh, yes, art club sounds perfect. We'll make a bunch of new friends and probably discover some hidden talents too.
Definitely, I'm excited now. First day of university, here we come.
I know, we've got this. Let's just enjoy every moment and we'll make so many memories.
You're right. Here's to new beginnings, Mary. Let's make this year unforgettable.
Cheers to that, Hannah. Yay! Let's do this!
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you in the next one.